When people boxing. Let me try to see if I can also do it. Wonderful, wonderful. Good to see you. Welcome. It's Tommy Bay TV right about here. This is Mr. Laughter, and today we have a special moment in our life, and we're gonna bring you the latest sports. And this sport is from northern Uganda, and I have my guest here, that is Molendra, Dennis, and Ismail. So we are going to look at boxing. You guys know, you can see when people boxing. Let me try to see if I can also do it. The spots that you want, everyone around the world, you guys know the Pacquiaos, those ones, the fighters. You also know Ronaldo, Kelo, those ones, all these boxers. I don't know them, but I also know one good boxer. That is, yeah, the Oma, who was actually a member of I mean, he comes from Uganda, I think. So he has been also very good here in the US.